Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Zoeller sump pump alarm keeps going off, it can be stressful, especially because it usually signals a high water level or a potential pump issue. Many homeowners immediately think something serious has failed, but in most cases, the alarm is doing its job by warning you about a simple problem like a stuck float switch, power issue, or clogged discharge line. Since sump pumps protect your home from flooding, it's important to address the alarm quickly but calmly. The good part is that with a few basic checks, you can identify the cause and fix the issue before it turns into a bigger problem. Try these. Step 1. Check the power supply and ensure the pump is plugged in. Step 2. Inspect the pit for high water level or overflow. Step 3. Make sure the float switch moves freely. Step 4. Clear any debris blocking the pump or intake. Step 5. Check the discharge pipe for clogs or freezing. Step 6. Reset the alarm and test the pump operation.